Okay, I've got a little bitty tip and trick today, and I'm going to do it in two places. So my trick is here is the way to get good efficient use out of your chisel. So I've got a line I've got to chop here to make it look like this. Now your first instinct is always going to be to take your chisel and just drive it straight down into your cut. Well, that's fine, but you're going to work a lot harder. So what I suggest is you take the corner of your chisel first and just start your line down. And this works on a straight one or whatever. We're just doing it on this one because it's a great angle for the camera. Now I've got my line started. Put your chisel at an angle, and then as you're chopping down towards your cut, you turn your chisel in, radius it in, I'm sorry, so that you're almost working like a guillotine, and you're making a nice, clean, easy cut, and you're not working nearly as hard. So there you go, and you just keep repeating it. Just like that. Got a nice, clean cut. Okay, I'm on a flat surface just to show you the two different places. So I've cut a line here that I've got to chop to. Not being particular here, but just, so again, first instinct is just to cut back to the line like that. You're really going to work pretty hard. So what I would do is you just take the corner of your chisel and take out a little bit of meat, not much. And then once you've started that, take your chisel and set it in there and turn it into your cut. And again, I'm doing bevel up. You can do it bevel down, but bevel up actually cuts better. Again, radiusing into your cut. There's your clean chop and ready to saw.